Hey, Dyson with Backbowl Pro Shop again. Just working over here at the lanes, and keep your cost down. This is lane. These are our north side lanes. You know, stuff like this that gets broken on a daily basis of people throwing the ball randomly, breaking all sorts of stuff. So you know, this is let's say this is probably a good 10 feet or so from where you throw the ball. And this is the damage cost. So who knows where the ball came from or whatever, but you know, that's how it's supposed to look, nice and clean all the way up and down. It's even got a couple of breaks in it there now, and then there's another lane over there as well. So you know, the more stuff they have to repair on a daily basis, the more they're going to charge you to come bowling. So if you're here and you see some people acting like a fool, you know, say something to somebody. You know, it's already getting expensive as it is. Keep cost downs for the owner. He might keep cost downs for you. So just a thought. But yeah, have a good day. Once again, Tyson with Backbowl Pro Shop.